This is Smart Academy. We are giving problems on Coulomb's law for all physics sentences. So up to now I discussed some different type of problems on Coulomb's law I discussed. In this video I am going to discuss one more type. So today we have one problem. Before going to discussion, please subscribe my channel Smart Academy. So we have one question here. See four charges 1 into 10 power minus 19 minus 9 coulomb, 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, 1 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. These are four charges are placed at the corners of a square of side 1 meter. See here, take a square. See, this is A, B, C, D. See here, first charge coulomb, second is 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, then one more is 1 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. Fourth one is 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. These are four charges are placed at the corners of a square of side 1 meter. Per side 1 meter. Per side 1 meter. The force experienced by a charge. The force experienced by a charge placed at the center. The charge is 1 into 10 power plus 9 coulombs at the center. So what we have to find here, the force on the charge is 1 into 10 power plus 9 coulombs at the center. So here so this is a charge 1 into 10 power plus 9 coulomb at the center. So the force due to this charge, due to 1 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb on the center, it is repulsive force. It is repulsive force. So along OA will be there, repulsive force. That means FA. The force on 1 into 10 power plus 9 coulomb due to B, that is, this is also repulsive force. So one more is the force on discharge due to C, that is also repulsive. The same like that, this is also repulsive force. All forces due to here, these all forces means FA, FB, FC, and FD. These four forces are repulsive and opposite direction. So by looking this one, the force of the charge at the center is 0. So without calculating, we can say that one. Just we go for calculation here. Solution. FA, that is repulsive force. FA equal to K into Q1 Q2 by D square. Here K into Q, 1 into 10 power minus 19, 1 into 10 power plus 9 by D. D is this much, so is 1 meter. So take a right angle triangle here. This is 1 meter side, 1 meter side. This is D. D square equal to 1 plus 1 square square. So D equal to root 2. So this total distance will be D. So we want only D by 2, that is root 2 by 2. So D equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Here K into plus 9 minus 9, 1 will go 1 by root 2 whole square. This is FA. Then FB. Go for FB. The FB force, that is repulsive force due to point charge at B on center charge. The charge at the center, that is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by D square. K into the charge is 2 into 10 power minus 9, 1 into 10 power plus 9 by D equal to same 1 by root 2. whole square plus n minus n was 2 by 1 by root 2 whole square. This is 2. This is Newton. This unit is Newton. Go for Fc. Here k into q1 q2 by t square. See, this is also repulsive force. The force on the charge at the center due to charge at the corner C. So that is equal to q into the center charge 1 into 10 power minus 9. At the center 1 into 10 power plus 9. D square 1 by root 2 whole square. So we will cancel 1 by root 2 whole square. That is Newton. See, then goes to Fd. K into q1 q2 by d square. K into, what is q1 here? Fd force also repulsive force. Fd force, the force on the charge at the center due to charge at the corner B. That is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 9, 1 into 10 power plus 9 by 1 by root 2 whole square. So it will be cancelled. 2 by 1 by root 2 whole square newtons. Is the fourth equation. So just look here. Fa, Fc are opposite and equal forces. Look here. These two. 1 by root 2 whole square Newton, 1 by root 2 whole square. These equal and opposite forces. The net force Fa plus Fc equal to Fa plus Fc equal to 0. The same like that, Fb plus Fb equal to 0, because here observe these two equations. Fb 2 by 1 by root 2 whole square Newton, Fb is 2 by 1 by root 2 whole square Newton. These are 2 and opposite. So this total is 0. So net force Fa plus Fb Fc plus Fd equal to 0. The net force, the charge at the center due to all charges which are located at the four centers, four corners, that is equal to 0. So finally the force on the charge at the center is 0. So this is one more type of problem. These are the important problems I discussed on Coulomb's law. So thank you user, please subscribe my channel.